Hi guys, here to talk about the cleaning principles. These principles apply to any cleaning that you're doing. It could be carpet cleaning, pressure washing, tile grout cleaning, general cleaning, specialty cleaning, any type of cleaning. And basically I'm going to explain to you how it works. An acronym to remember it easier is TACT, T-A-C-T. Stands for time, agitation, chemical, and temperature. So it's basically a combination of these four things. What it means is, if one of them is reduced, you need to increase the other three. For example, let's just say I have a lot of heat or unlimited heat, like say a diesel heater, right? Then the heat replaces some of your agitation and perhaps all of your agitation, or it will replace some of your chemical. In other words, you use less chemical because the heat makes the existing chemical work better. Time is the time that the chemical is on the ground and it's working. So basically what you're doing is you're controlling these four things to achieve the same purpose that other people are doing as far as the quality goes. So we got time, agitation, chemical, and temperature. So here's some real life examples. Time is time, so you're going to pre-spray it, usually 15 minutes or so. And then in that 15 minutes, you don't have to wait for it because you can start in areas where it's already clean. So you're giving the traffic areas little time, or dirty areas on a house, little extra time, dwell time. Make sure it's wet, don't let it dry. Chemical is example. A chemical would be a good formulated chemical. Like this example would be, this is oxygenated and has citrus in it, so it will remove water-based, oil-based, and organic stains. So if you have a good chemical and it takes up more, then you also reduce some of the others. Temperature example would be a heater. You can use a portable electric heater like this, or you can use one of the diesel heaters, which gives you unlimited heat. So when you, for example, if you use this and it's pretty good, it's going to take up this. But if you use the diesel heat, it may be so hot that you may not even need to agitate, because the temperature is more consistent. It's hotter. And then for agitation, there's many things to agitate. This one is just a brush like a Grandy groomer. It goes on it too. And then you can agitate prior to cleaning. You can also use this prior to cleaning. So this is a Shark 17-inch CRB. So in other words, if I was going to agitate more, let's just say I don't have that much heat, then I need to increase my agitation to take some of the place for the heat. So for example, I'll pre-spray it and then I'll scrub it in and then I'll wash it off. That's pretty much it. So use this formula, it'll help you. Thank you.